first point when we made that goal.
Exactly.
You know, why did I make that goal? So when you lose your priority is you yourself. So probably we should refocus again on the priority that it all began with me. And I had put myself as a priority, and that is why this victory is very, very important to me. I hope I got it right, ma'am.
Exactly, absolutely. Because we ourselves have framed the goals. We ourselves decided that this is what we want. But again, we involve in ourselves in a more complicated way and forget what our goal is.
Right.
So that should not happen. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Yeah. Now we are seeing this 35th sloka. Okay. एतान्न हन्तुमिच्छामि न तोऽपि मधुसूदना अपि त्रैलोक्यराज्यस्य हेतो किं नु मही कृते. ఓ కృష్ణ నన్ను చంపవారలైనను వీరిని ముల్లోకముల రాజ్యాధిపత్యము కొరకనైనను నేను చంపనిచ్చదుంపను. So what he is saying is here is Krishna, so if at all people are going to give me all the universe also, I am not going to kill. So for my relatives, can I kill? For little kingdom, can I kill my own relatives? So everything, so in the life there are very situations we are so attached with our comforts that whatever comes on our way, we are not going to break our comfort. They are very much important for us. So I want you to list out today such comforts of you which are becoming your own weak points and stopping you. Your comfort zone can be your own family, your own attachments, your own feeling of people pleaser, could be anything else. But what it is important. Kindly mute yourself. Yeah, so kindly list out such weak points and your big comforts which are becoming your big weak points that are stopping you to attain success in your life. And with this, we are going to end today's session and we go with queries. So yeah, Nikitaji, goals are conflicting with other goals of our family. So when we are deciding and creating them only, we need to be very much clear about that.
Ma'am, I thought Bhagavad Gita is going to be so exciting, but here Arjuna is demotivating right from the beginning.
So the first chapter is Arjuna Vishada Yoga. Right? Arjuna Vishada Yoga. So Arjuna Vishada Yoga began. We go to a mentor when actually we need them. Right? We all sit and listen to a session when we need it, or else we never have that listening patience to anyone else. That's why you can observe throughout the first chapter, Krishna will not talk anything. Until the second chapter comes, Arjuna surrenders himself to Krishna, asking kindly, give me guidance. Krishna will not talk anything. That is the importance of listening skills, which is one of the chapter which we need to work out actually in our training also. How key the listening skills play a role. When listening skills are there, then we talk how the other persons respond to us and what value it adds. Once we listen, then we talk. So people usually in the spiritual aspect, when they start with Bhagavad Gita, they go with the third chapter, Karma Yoga. Okay, But in our regular lifestyle, we are so intelligent that we don't have patience to listen to anyone. Someone comes and gives us advice or some suggestion like, you do the things in this way, you do like this. We never accept it. We accept it only when we are in pain. We accept it only when we fail in doing or achieving some success. Then only we go and take advice of someone. Then only we feel like we need a mentor, right? So that's why we started with Vishada Yoga, which is similar to all of us, because in rapport building, what matches other each one is, what creates rapport between two people is commonality. What is commonality between all person is pain, fear, anxiety, depression, the sad feeling. This is common for everyone. Once we are connected, oh, this too happened with Arjuna and happened to me also.